Hello everyone. Today was a good day. After yesterday my algo did not work properly. I had to spend yesterday as well as day before yesterday. So it took my practically 2 days to set it correct. And then last night finally I was able to get it correct and on the dummy data it worked properly. So then today morning I thought I'll live put it on the try it on the live data and see. So if you see this, there's this, all these are my, you know, testing of my algo through in the morning. So these are actually just, buy and sell trades at this cost level. So, nothing about making profit or loss. This is just to look at if my coding was proper and it was firing signals correctly into my system, into the broker's account, and it did correct. It did fire correctly and it give out correctly. So, well, morning also I had an issue. I you know I was trying to figure out what was going wrong, and then I realized that I was picking the data, the parameters from order book and trying to apply it on my trade book. And then after a long time, I realized that since both the structure was same, I did not make out. I had copy pasted the wrong one. So then I finally realized when I did a manual trade here and compared the data, then I realized, okay, so that was the error. So then I again, modified it, did the correction, and then I could see that yeah, it did go out correctly. So then afterwards, I just waited for it till then I kept on following my algo to give me any trades, and then at around 145, it gave me a short position. So at 145, I took one short position, 1477. Actually, I got in at something around 1475, 65 or so. That's okay. So I this was still manual. I did not this position was manually taken. I did not let the algo run it. I was just looking at the data and trying to manually do that, just mirror that. So then. I had bit of skepticism over here because market was going up, everything was up, and this is still on going on an upward trajectory. And at that time, if you look at it, the upper band is it's so high, 83. Well, this is saying asking me to short somewhere near the lower band. That's why the signals are devised that way. That yeah, when it crosses the band, then you'll get it. So but then yeah, so issue was that your mind would say that this is not the proper thing because it's at the bottom, you should not sell this. But then I still took my leap of faith. I had my kept my faith on my algo and I shorted it. And I shorted, and then after a few minutes I realized that the upper band is coming down, so that means the range is narrowing. So even when I had a green bar, I did not, I held control over my lizard brain and did not get out. I was just holding on and looking at this line and held on and checking if my algo is giving any short covering signal. Well, algo was still going on sell, sell, sell. So I was happy about it that yeah, finally I could take control of my lizard brain today, at least for once today, and then and let it go. Let the prefrontal cortex take the decisions and go accordingly. So it did go well. So right, and then right until over here. Market hit a low of something around 70, 40 or 70, 20. And then I had a 253 finally. I'll go set exit. So at 253, yeah, 253. It should have been over here, somewhere over here. So on the next one, I did not. I was not continuously looking at it. So then I had a good opportunity over here to get out, but since I was not continuously looking, I think I missed out getting out over here. So then when I looked into it, that then over there at this bar, I got out. So, but still I got out at reasonable rate. So okay, no, not actual reasonable, but just as minor profit over here. So, yes, today's learning and today's benefit has been that my algo has started working. I still need few tweaks to make it fully automatic. Full, it is operational now, but to let it go run on its own, I still need to do some more tweaks and some more adjustments need to be done. But the happy part of it for today is today finally I was able to take control over my lizard brain, and that has given me a good happiness, good feeling about myself, that yes, finally I was able to do it, when even when things were looking incorrect, looking other way around, I followed my algo and followed the strategy, and yes, it did help me make a good profit. So I think slowly I will get over there where I will be able to go and take my profits and do that. So I'll be able to follow my algo properly. So good one. Hope you will also be able to take control over your brain and do more of the logical thinking and action on your logical thinking brain. So all the best to everyone and happy trading. Bye.